The result that you want to get is definitely at the Asterian Clinic. I highly recommend coming here. Hi, my name's Hailey. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I came to Turkey, to Istanbul, to have a forehead reduction. I pretty much have had a very easy and nice experience from beginning to end. All of the nurses and the doctor has been amazing. I got here late during the evening and then had my blood work the first night that I got here. And then the next day, came from the hotel straight to the clinic and had my consultation with the doctor. He was very nice. He answered pretty much all of my questions. There wasn't really any hesitation. I wasn't really nervous. And they just made the experience so easy and quick and pretty painless. They set my IVs after I had the consultation with the doctor, and he marked and placed where my forehead would start, and we kind of discussed from there what his recommendation was, and then if I agreed with that or wanted to do something differently. And I pretty much agreed with everything that he said because he's the doctor, so he knows what's best. And then after that, it wasn't long until I changed into my gown, and they make you wear these stockings. And then once that happened, I got wheeled back pretty quickly after to go into surgery. So it was super fast. Like I said, I wasn't really nervous. I've had surgeries before, but they made me super, super nervous. But the way that everybody was very nice and very communicative made the whole process so simple. And then I just remember waking up. I don't remember going to sleep, which was funny, but I remember waking up from the surgery and I didn't feel any pain. I just felt very tight, like a tightness, obviously, since they're moving your skin around. My eyes were kind of sore, which happens after I come out from under anesthesia. My eyes are just really dry. So that was the only, I guess, bad part of the surgery was just my eyes being dry afterwards. But they irrigated my eyes with water every 2 hours, and the nurse was really nice. She would come in and give me eye drops. I just slept the entire time that I was in recovery at the hospital immediately after surgery. And then the doctor came in after, I think I was here for a day, and then the doctor came in and kind of discussed my medications, when my checkup would be, all those details if I had any questions. And they took I had a huge head wrap on, but they took that off after the doctor came in and evaluated me, and then they replaced my bandages. And then once they set me up with my medications, and it was the pain medication, antibiotics, creams, and ointments for the scar, and a serum also for the scar. It was super quick and easy and simple. And after that, I went back to my hotel, and I had been at my hotel for about 7 days, I think, until I had to come back for my checkup. The hotel is really nice, and they're really good with getting room service to me quickly. So it's been a really, really easy recovery. Yeah, everybody's been, like I said, very communicative. So they let me know when the day and time was that I would go back here to the clinic to have my checkup. This is where they pretty much washed my hair. They gave me these injections to help with hair growth and strengthening the hair follicles that I have along my scar and incision line. That was probably the most painful part, but it also wasn't that bad. If you've gotten Botox before, it kind of feels like you're just getting Botox, but along your incision. And the top of my head is numb, and they said it will be numb for about 6 months. So I didn't feel any of the shots at the top, but I felt them at the bottom. But like I said, that was the most painful part, and that wasn't even painful at all. I'd say it's maybe a 1 or 2 out of 10. And then they used my own blood to give me those shots. So again, that was probably all of the IV and the shots was the most painful part of the whole process, surprisingly. But they washed my hair, which was nice because I've been waiting to wash my hair for a week. And I have to use a special shampoo, obviously, for the incision. So they washed my hair with a special shampoo and then took after photos, but that's pretty much the entirety of the check-in process. And then I get to meet with the doctor again to ask him more questions and kind of go over what my recovery will look like for the next 6-ish months.
Okay. No, your wound is really very good.
Yeah.
I think you will love the results. Okay. We used very small stitches, very small. You cannot understand maybe. These stitches will go away itself. Okay, you don't need to remove it. It will go itself. Don't do it anything. Only we gave 2 cream and oil. You should use this cream and oil. Okay, this is healing cream, this is antibiotic cream, and the scar will be better.
Dr. Cengizhan is the best surgeon for a forehead reduction. I found him on YouTube. He was like the most popular search, and then I did my research from there. He's so nice. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's very confident, and he does really, really good work. I was not apprehensive about the surgery at all because I knew that his work is really, really good and well known. I was stalking his whole surgery process and people he's worked on before, and everybody was so happy with their results. And that made me just realize that I knew that I would be going to him for my forehead reduction and I would have no regrets. I was expecting it to be a significant difference, but you really don't know until you actually look at yourself in the mirror afterwards to see you look like an entirely different person. So I'm very, very happy with the results. And I would 100% do it again if I had to, because I'm really, really happy. Pretty much if you're struggling like I was with, the size of your forehead, I would definitely get this surgery done. I have no real cons. I mean, if I had to say anything that was a con, I would say it was the IVs and the shots to increase the hair follicles, and then the food here is very different. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's crazy because in America we just have sugary, crazy foods and that are no, not good for you, and here everything is so healthy. I think for breakfast they serve me cucumbers, olives, cheese, and tomatoes, and I've never had that for breakfast before ever. I'm used to having cereal every morning, so that was definitely a change. So I would prepare yourself if you're coming from America. It's definitely different, but it's nice, it's refreshing. And then I get to go tomorrow. The clinic staff is taking me to tour some parts of Turkey, so I'm really, really excited for that because I've just been stuck in my hotel room the whole time. The Asterian Clinic has an amazing service too, where they can take you out to visit some of the tourist areas and some of the best spots to eat and to shop and historical sites. I'm going to do that tomorrow, so I'm very, very, very excited for that. I cannot wait because I really haven't gotten to do much tourism at all since I've been here just recovering, so I'm excited to see Turkey and what it's best known for. So I'm really excited for that actually, but yeah, 10 out of 10 for the whole experience. I'm very, very, very happy.